Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2019. It's the 17th match in round one. And the scores are Kingston College on 28 points and St. James High on 5 points. Let's get into the buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer and wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. So teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's see 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question is from Bible Knowledge. Who was chosen to replace Casey?
Matthias.
Correct. Replace Judas as the 12th apostle. Biology. What is the process by which amines are removed from Casey?
Denomination.
Correct. Removed from organic molecules. English language. Give us 7-letter synonyms starting with L for the word readable. KC.
Legible.
Is correct. International affairs. This is a visual one, teams. Look at the screen and identify the person. KC.
Rodrigo Duterte.
Correct. Chemistry. Which element is represented by the symbol B? Kingston College.
Boron.
Correct. Music and audio question. Teams, please listen to the following and identify the group. KC.
Brick and lace.
Correct. General knowledge. Angora is now known as which European city? KC.
Ankara.
Correct. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. Mi amigo habla francés. KC.
My friend speaks French.
Correct. Geography. By surface area, which is the largest of Africa's? Kingston College.
Algeria.
No, it would have been Africa's Great Lakes, and the answer is Lake Victoria. Theatre and cinema, it's a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify the person. Kingston College.
Sandra Bullock.
Correct. Information technology. Which company invented the floppy disk in St. James?
Microsoft.
No, in 1971, it's IBM. History. In what year was the West Indies Federation established? Kingston College.
1958.
Correct. Mathematics. What is 19 squared minus 16 squared? Kingston College.
105.
Is the right answer. Physics. What name is given to the color which identifies lights of wavelengths 450 to 520 nanometers or nanometers? It's blue. Sport, a visual question. Look at the monitor, teams, and identify this person. Kingston College.
Nestor Carter.
Correct. Jamaican heritage. Who was Jamaica's longest serving? Kingston College.
PJ Patterson.
Correct. Jamaica's longest serving prime minister. French. What is a French verb for to walk? Kingston College.
Marche.
Correct. Literature. Which of the Shakespeare's plays features a sorcerer named Prosper? Kingston College.
The Tempest.
Correct. Named Prospero. Art. Which art critic coined the term Impressionism to satirize the artists involved in an 1874 art show entitled The Exhibition of Impressionists? That's Louis Leroy or Louis Leroy. Bible knowledge. Who was the brother of Mary and Kingston College?
Lazarus.
Correct. Mary and Martha. Biology. C6H10O5N is the formula for which polysaccharide of glucose? St. James?
Monosaccharide.
No, glycogen. Jamaican Creole, and we won't get to Jamaican Creole because that's the end of the final challenge and the end of the match. The scores are Kingston College on 58 points and St. James High on 1 point. Here now is the answer to the Digicel viewer's question. The answer is Peter Tosh. Congratulations to our winners. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.